TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 10 a.m. Eastern time on Friday, 30 minutes into the trading day. And we got some tariff news. We got some Fed news. We have Jerome Powell going to be starting talking right now, 10 a.m. Eastern time in Jackson Hole. And we got markets starting off to the downside. S&P's right now negative by 10 points, trading at 29.12. We got the Dow negative 79 points right now, trading at 26,166. NASDAQ negative by 48 points, trading at 79.43. Gold getting a pop this morning, up $5 at 15.14. Oil on the flip side, China putting 5% tariffs on oil. That hitting the market instantly. Crude down $1.55 at 53.80. Notes and bonds slightly higher price and lower yield. The 10-year up 4 ticks, 130.13. 30-year up 3 ticks, 164.06, and the dollar index up 131 ticks at 98,200. We're going to start things off. We'll jump over the indices. We'll start it off with the Dow. And why not? We're going to start it off with a few headlines. You can see when those tariffs got announced, 8 a.m. this morning. And with that, we're going to just jump to some of those headlines. And look, as we speak, we're going to have a lot of headlines this hour. When I come back with Tom, we have Powell right now. No rule book on trade. Pledges the Fed will act as appropriate to sustain the economy. Jumping back to the tariff news, China planning to raise import tariffs on $75 billion worth of U.S. goods. That hitting the auto industry as well. To jump over to the likes, Ford down about 1.6% today. Now, with that in context, we'll jump back to the charts. We'll start it off with the Dow. That escalation to the downside, we're above 26,300. The Dow cascades to a low of 26,047. We're up a bit from that level, 26,179. NASDAQ 100, we're up at 77.40. We trade down a solid 100 points to 76.40. We're getting a bit of a bid right now. S&P is much the same. We were at about 29.32. You trade down to a low of 29.01, and the S&P is charging higher, 29.18. Gold contract trading at 15.13. Gold catching a bid on that tariff announcement. Gold rising to a high of 15.17. Crude oil, quite a pullback as that tanked from above 55 to 53.50. And then the Euro US dollar, 110.75. Should be an interesting hour, should be an interesting Friday. We got Fed news, we got tariff news, we got markets in negative territory. Stay tuned, folks. Should be an exciting day. Live programming all day at TFNN. Have a great Friday.